From simple ingredient to a golden finish, this bread is made with patience, love, and warmth. Soft inside, sweet on top, and baked to comfort the heart. Homemade bread always tells its own story. This bread didn't just rise in the oven, it rose from care, time, and passion. Every bite is soft, warm, and made from the heart. No bakery, no shortcut, just rare homemade bread, soft, smooth, and proudly made. Good bread doesn't rush, it rises with the
Today,
time
simple
and love.
ingredients come together to become something warm, soft, and homemade.
So while we are mixing, before we need flour, water, and patience, this is where the comfort begins. So keep on watching. Thank you. What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and grave to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we offer faith. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Slowly mixing every ingredient together, letting them connect, blend, and become the foundation of a soft homemade bread. Each ingredient has its moment here, coming together patiently to form a smooth dough full of promise. This is the quiet part of baking where simple ingredients meet, blend, and begin their journey into bread. No rush, no wet, just ingredients coming together to create something warm and comforting. Kneading slowly, building strength into the dough, feeling its change with every gentle fold. With each press and fold, the dough becomes smoother, softer, and full of life. This is where patience matters. Steady hands, gentle pressure, and time shaping the dough. No words needed, just rhythm, pressure, and dough become together. With steady hands and gentle pressure, the dough is kneaded slowly, growing smoother and stronger with every fold, every press, and every moment of patience. So now the bread is done and we have to let it relax and proof before we start kneading it. So if you are still watching, God bless you and I love you. Our bread is now proof, rolling and shaping the dough carefully, preparing it for its final rise and perfect bake. Every roll gives the dough its final form, calm, smooth, and ready for the oven. Slow rolling, gentle shaping, giving the dough its last touch before the heat does the rest. From soft dough to shaped bread, this is the quiet moment before the transformation. Slow rolling, gentle shaping, giving the dough its last touch before the heat does the rest. Yeah, you can see that the dough is doing. I have already shaped it now. Now let's egg wash the bread before we put it in the oven. Just like this recipe, life gets better when you don't give up. I learn in life and in cooking, patience always pays. Every meal, like every struggle, starts simple and ends beautiful. Life taught me to keep going, so I kept cooking. Into the oven, it goes where heat, time, and patience turn soft dough into real bread. Now the oven takes over, turning patience and care into rare bread. Golden, soft, and complete. Every step was worth it. You can see that golden on the outside, soft on the inside. The weight was worth it. You can see it. So soft. I love it. Simple ingredients, careful steps, and a beautiful finish. The doings. From small steps to great taste. That's life. I failed, I learned, I tried again, just like this recipe. Life tested me. I kept going. I didn't quit. I cooked through it. Hard times, steady hands, still standing, still cooking. Every struggle taught me patience. I turned pain into progress. One step at a time, I am getting there. I kept going and it's working out. Small effort, meaningful progress. Every day I try again. Calm heart, steady progress. This is how hope looks.